stop buying tote bags just because they look cute. Because if it can't hold your stuff, keep its shape, and still look good doing it, it's already failing you. Here's the thing about tote bags. They're everywhere. Every brand makes one, every store has 5 versions, but most of them, they're either too pretty to use or too plain to care about. You want something that actually works for your life, whether that's running errands, going to the office, heading to brunch, or all 3 in one day. And that's what this video's about, the tote bags that do both, style and function, no compromises. Let's start with the problem most women run into. You buy a tote because it's beautiful. Maybe it's got a gorgeous color, a cool shape, some interesting detail on the strap. You get home, you load it up, your phone, your wallet, your water bottle, that random lip gloss you forgot was in there, and suddenly the bag is just a sad, droopy blob. No structure, no pockets, everything sinking to the bottom. You're digging for your keys at the door like you're searching for treasure. That's not cute, and it's not functional either. So what actually makes a tote bag worth buying? 3 things: structure, space, and the right material. That's it. If a tote has those 3 things, you can wear it anywhere, and it'll make your life easier, not harder. Let's talk structure first. A tote with no internal structure will fold in on itself the second you put something heavy inside. What you want is a tote that holds its shape on its own. Some bags do this with a thick base, some have built-in frames, and some just use a stiff, heavy canvas or leather that doesn't give. When you're shopping, pick it up. Does it hold its shape when it's empty? Good sign. Does it flop around like a grocery bag? Walk away. Now, space, and not just size, organization. A tote that's just one big open cave is annoying. You need at least one interior zip pocket for your phone and cards, and an exterior pocket for things you grab 100 times a day. If the tote also has a zip closure at the top, even better. Your stuff stays safe, nothing falls out when you toss it in your car, and you don't have to dig every single time. Material is the one people sleep on the most. Canvas is lightweight and great for casual days, but not all canvas is equal. Thicker canvas holds up better and doesn't stain as easily. Leather is elevated and ages beautifully, but needs a little care and can be heavy. Nylon is honestly underrated. It's light, wipes clean, and some nylon totes look genuinely chic right now. Coated canvas is the sweet spot for a lot of women because it looks polished, wipes down easy, and can handle rain without panicking. Now let's get into actual bags that check all these boxes. First, you have structured leather totes from brands like Kuyana, Pollen, and APC. These are on the higher end of the price range, but they're worth every penny because they're built to last. The Kuyana Classic Structured